If you want to use a memory card or microSD card on OPPO Find X9, then in that case, unfortunately, you will not be able to do that with the SIM tray. Over here, as you can see, I have the SIM tray. In my case, we have a dual SIM, and unfortunately, there is no microSD card slot. If you try to use it, then as you can see, it is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to do that. However, what you can use instead is a memory card reader. I have my example memory card reader over here with the USB-C cable. So in this case, of course, there are smaller memory card readers as well. But the idea is that you insert the memory card into the memory card reader and then you connect it to your smartphone with the USB-C cable. And then you can access the storage quite easily. However, of course, it is a little bit inconvenient to use on a daily basis because, let's be real, no one really wants to walk around with a huge device connected to our smartphone. So definitely inconvenient to use on a daily basis, but still, if you have a memory card, you can somehow use it as additional storage for your OPPO Find X9 that you can at least connect from time to time when you want to, for example, access some files or transfer them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.